Hi, this is Dr. Wolf of Wolf Allergy and Asthma in Detroit, and I heard you sniffling. I heard you sniffling in the elevator, okay? I heard you sniffling when I was walking through my waiting room. You didn't think I heard it, but I heard you sniffling while I was walking through my waiting room, okay? I heard you sniffling when I was at the grocery store picking out the baby food for my daughter. And many of you have told me that when the seasons change, your nose and your sinuses are awful. And that's why I created Sniffles, Sniflz, Sniffles. It is a plant-based supplement for nasal and sinus support. Now, I need 100 people to try it out for me. Tell me if it's working for you. So put in the comment section, Sniffles, Sniflz, and I'll send you a link so we can start allowing you to sniff less and live more. Bye.